Magidi Santosh Kumar, Vice President Anti-Corruption Squad, GO Telangana. And myself, I am IIT faculty. I teach mathematics. As a faculty, I felt that the situation arises during Corona and after post-Corona, the students are suffering a lot. So a program, a awareness program, we have taken as a group from NGO, and I am right now, I am in front of you, and I'll introduce the Padmavati Madam. First of all, she is a very good educationist, and we need the suggestions to the parents, particularly they are in suffer, and particularly the students, so that these suggestions will be taken to the society of Telangana and all over India. And I'll introduce Padmavati Madam. Please, Madam, give your suggestions.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, students. I'm Padmavati, chemistry faculty. So mainly during this pandemic situation, what I have observed is emotional balancing, emotional quotient of the student should be taken care. Of course, intelligent quotients, so everybody is with more IQ levels, but emotional quotients are very badly damaged. So now here, for parents or from organization or from the government, so what we have to appeal. So what I have observed with the students is, so when I am speaking with now, even my daughter is in 8th class, with the other students also, almost for the long 2 years after they come into the institute, or with they are in the gathering, almost they have the fear of public also. So they are unable to mingle with the public. So emotionally, so you can say almost maximum damage has been done. So why we require students to be gathered in schools or colleges means it is education means not only just learning the concept, it is all round development. So we are all of course social animals, social beings, right? We require society. We are built by the society. Just we can't be separated and sit in a room and learn something means it is actually really pathetic. So in this regard, so what we are expecting from the parents? First, without any pressure, parents should monitor. And what we are expecting from you people and from the government and from the organization, right? First of all, whenever, for example, again in coming days, so there is a threat that there can be third wave or different variants are coming. Again, if such type of situation is arising, okay, so precautionarily, so before, so we are going for complete online mode. In the beginning itself, there should be some cautionary steps. So immediately as soon as accidentally the government is announcing that, so there could be complete, you can say online sessions, no public gathering and all. When they have announced, first they should give utmost priority to the educational institutes. Government and also organization should give the clear-cut framing what they have to implement. First they should see that, so every student before they are going for, they should give some time first of all to shift to the online mode. Take proper precautions, okay, so slowly convert them into the online by seeing that first of all whether they are having proper platforms or not. So like you can say they are providing so different ration and all. So during such type of situation they should see that so every student is having proper, you can say, online platform to attend the classes. So they should provide some tabs, you can say, and also first of all the government should have some common application, common app they should develop. So what is the main problem with the students? So when you are given a, you can say smartphone or a tab, right? So many other applications are also available. Mostly students are getting distracted. So as per our report, we are observing that maximum a student is unable to concentrate more than 15 to 20 minutes. So immediately they are switching to the other apps. So government should develop such an app that so commonly student can you can say use that application, so that only when they are on online mode, no other apps are working. Okay, so only they can listen the class, they can interact. So such type of apps should be developed first of all, right? In future, so greatest threat to the planet is the virus. We can't escape from that. Now it is, we have to definitely get habituated. So in future, there may arise. Then, so government should think about, you can say, what are the possible steps. Okay, so when education is to be turned into a combined mode of online and offline, right? Completely switching to the offline if it is unavailable, and also completely switching to online is also not suggestible for the society, for the humankind. So already, so many students, they have lost their, you can say, emotions and all, emotional bonding and all. So utmost priority to be taken. So what we feel as, you can say, teachers and all, the very bad thing is that government is, of course, giving, we can't say that maybe it is most priority for the students, but on the other side, it is becoming least priority to the educational institutes. Always they are to be the last announced, they are to be given to the last, when to be opened or when, what are the measures they are taken. Everything is under darkness. Everything should be in priority, they should declare. These are the steps they are going to take. They should bring all educational institutes, irrespective whether they are government or private, into the one platform when it is as an online mode. They should develop such type of apps and they should give to the respective organizations, or even so such type of our Narayana institutes and these. So they should develop those technology. They should see that every student is having proper, first of all, online mode applications. We are seeing that in most of the rural areas, even so in cities also, most of them are not having proper applications with them. So they don't have proper tabs, they can't see the, you can say, mobile phones for longer time. Okay, and educational institute should be given the first highest priority, because these are our future of the nation. They should take care of the, you can say, their mental and physical well-being of the student. So then only, otherwise, if such type of situation is continuing for 2-3 more years, so we lose definitely, you can say, a bright generation in coming days, right? Already we are facing. So, and also the one of my another important request and suggestion for organizations and even from government side also, if at all in the unavoidable situation, if so education has been turned to online mode for some days, they should take care that in the institute, definitely, so some faculty, particularly you can say some psychological counselors are available. Every student in turn per week 2 times, or at least by you can say per monthly 2-3 times. So parents should bring their children to the campus, to their respective campus. They have to make them to interact with the teachers, interact with the psychological counselors, and their notes should be verified what they are going on, and personal interaction should be there. If such type of little care, if it is taken only, so we can expect our future generations to be in a healthy conditions. Okay, now it is turn for our lovely students to speak. Okay, right?